In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to use connected app feature in Google Gemini. Let's get started. First, launch your Google Gemini app or navigate to the web version. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now to use connected apps, you can simply type your query and use the @ symbol to access available apps. Once you do that, you will see a list of apps where some are enabled and some are disabled. The enabled apps are ready to use while the disabled ones need to be turned on first. If you want to use an app that is currently disabled, you will need to enable it before proceeding. When you try to send a query using that app, Gemini will automatically ask for permission to access it. Once you allow access, Gemini will connect to that app and complete your request. For example, I'm gonna use Google Calendar. Now you can type in your question and send it. Gemini will use it to fetch relevant results and show them directly in your chat. By following the same steps, you are able to use other connected app feature in Google Gemini. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.